Hi everybody, it's Mike DiVita here. I want to thank you for continuing on with your mortgage education. I want to talk to you today about jumbo mortgages. I want to give you a little bit of information about what they are, how you can qualify for one, and why they're such a vital tool for California. The basic reason why they're great in California is the price of real estate is higher than the rest of the country. And Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac sets specific loan limits about what they'll do in the country. So they won't go over a certain loan limit, and that's where these jumbo loans come into play. So I want to start off by explaining the Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac loan limits to you first, and put these numbers up on the whiteboard behind me. So if you're buying a single family home in California, the highest Fannie Mae will lend to you is $625,500, and this is the same for Freddie Mac. For a 2-unit property, it's $800,775. For a 3-unit property, it's $967,950. And for a 4-unit property, the max loan amount is $1,202,935. So if you're buying higher than this, and a lot of people in California are, you're going to have to find an alternative to these loan limits, and that's where jumbo lenders come into play. Here's what you need to know about qualifying. They're a little bit different than Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. They're a little bit harder to qualify for. Number one, you're going to be required to put at least 20% down, and as you go into the millions of dollars in loan size, it could be up to 25, 30, 35% down payment. In terms of your credit history, you're going to need a pretty high credit score. Like on a conventional loan, you can get away with a 620 minimum credit rating. That's probably not going to be okay for a jumbo. You're probably going to need at least a 680. Some lenders require a 700, even a 720 score to do something like that, to give you that higher loan amount. The debt to income ratio requirements on a jumbo loan are harder to qualify for. So simply, your income for a Fannie Mae loan is going to qualify you for a little bit less on a jumbo mortgage. It's harder to qualify for. And the last takeaway here, and this is the important one, is the reserves requirement. Generally, a jumbo lender is going to require a lot more in reserves after you close escrow. This could be 6 months and even up to 24 months of the mortgage payment, taxes, and insurance. There are alternatives to jumbo financing. You can do a Fannie Mae mortgage with a second mortgage behind it. That is an option. You can always, pay more. If you're buying a place for $1 million, you can put the down payment to get you the Fannie Mae max of $625,500. You can always do that. The takeaway here, from this presentation is I just want all of you, if you're in the market to get a jumbo mortgage, you think you're going into these larger loan limits, you want to be prepared. That's it. You want to get your credit checked early. You want to make sure your income is sufficient to qualify. You want to make sure, very important, you have the reserves for the lender that you're looking to get qualified with. And you want to do all of this by talking to your mortgage broker. Getting prepared and getting pre-qualified is the key to getting into one of these, and, knowing before you start searching that you're going to get the loan in place. I want to encourage you to take a look at our California Home Buyers Kit. It's on this page. This is going to help you understand jumbo mortgages. It's going to help you understand the buying process and get you prepared when you're ready to pull the trigger and buy that jumbo, get that jumbo loan for the property that you want to buy. If you want to reach out to me anytime, you can call me at 1-800-239-1103. I'm always available to take an email. It's mike@mycahomeloan.com. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining us today.